Hey guys, I've just discovered a new hobby of mine, which is Rubik's Cubes, and I just got a new one in the mail. It is the Valk 3, and I'm excited to open it with you guys. So, let's get started. Alright, so this is the box. It's pretty good design. The box had some cool things in it, like a stand and a 10% off gift voucher. And let's go ahead and try to open this thing. But first, let's have a look at what's on the back. So it's got instructions in Chinese. It's got the 3 types. So there's the stickerless, the white tiles, and the black, which I got. And yeah, let's open this thing. Oh, I guess it opens from the bottom. Okay. Yeah. Anyways, guys, that's gonna end the video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. I'm kidding. Okay, let's have a look. This doesn't work.
One eternity later.
Yes, I've finally gotten it. Oh, thank goodness. Ooh, here it is. It's wrapped in plastic. Take that off. Looks really cool. It's a tiny bit smaller than I thought it would be, actually. Yeah, if you compare it to my other cube, it's quite small. Can't really see it, can you? Just a tiny bit makes it feel really small. But we're gonna put this aside, and we're just gonna have a look at what else is in the box. So let's have a look. What have we got? Okay, so there's a bunch of stuff in this little card thing, I guess. So it's got a little sticker. Don't think it's a sticker, but it's just a little sign, a QR code, a little a picture of Valk, who created this cube, and a little letter on the inside, and it's got his signature in the bottom right corner. It's also written in, I think it's Chinese. There's a sticker, and here's a little QR code, a tutorial for the how to solve the Rubik's Cube that Valk made on YouTube. And let's have a look at this cube. So it goes on this stand, and wow, that is smooth. The wow, amazing. I'm just gonna have a little play around with this. Yeah, so it's pretty good colors, and it's really smooth. My old one is really crappy. Okay, so it's kind of loose. You can almost do a 180-degree turn. Yeah, it's got pretty good center movement. The corner cutting is amazing. Look at that. So I might just do a couple examples solved, and I'll see you at the end with a final review. So overall, this cube is pretty good. I'd recommend it to people just as their second cube, just getting off a crappy brand like Rubik's or the dollar store cube. The Valk is quite smooth. It's very fast. I would recommend getting your strength up and using a old flow cube, and then getting the Valk. The stickers are pretty vibrant in color. I do like the colors of them. My old Rubik's brand, the colors are pretty bad, but these are tiles instead of stickers. If these were stickers, then I'd rather have tiles. So, but overall, you can tell the difference between the two cubes. Have a look at the whites. The white is a bit, no, in the video it looks a bit darkish. But yeah, it's overall pretty vibrant, pretty good. I would definitely recommend it. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, say something cool in the comments, like I like bananas, because I do too. And I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.